Hey, Cooper's Automotive, got a Chevy Cobalt here. Let me see what year it is. It's a 2008. Quit running, stalls out. Wipers jump up every time you turn the key. Got it here, it was towed in. And pulled the codes on it. Let me show you those. Or actually, the code. There we go, let's get up close there. P0203-00 fuel pump relay control circuit. So, anyway, when you go to diagnostic info on that code, the criteria for setting that code says this DTC runs continuously when the above conditions are met. The ignition voltage between 11 and 18 volts. Engine is cranking and or running. And the control module detects that the command state of the driver with the fuel pump state controls do not match. So, probable causes. Did a little digging around. I'll show you what I found. Had a voltage drop, and I'll show you where it was at. Bring the camera in here, and let's get a shot of this. And let's turn it down right there, and let's blow it up. If I can blow it up, let's see here. Get it adjusted. Alright, right underneath that coolant reservoir bobble is the G101 ground. And I figured it was a power circuit. A lot of times the fuse box can be an issue, but that ground can be a problem. It was loose actually, and I don't know why. So I cleaned it. I'm going to put the nut back on it and tighten it up. Then I'm going to start it and see what we have. There's another ground you'll want to look at too. It was also loose. Let me see if I can get a shot of that. Put that over there. Excuse all this wiggling around, but anyway. I'm really sorry about that. If you look right behind that fuse box, you see these fuse boxes are common too. If you look right behind that fuse box, and I'm going to put my finger on it. Right there, that one. And that one was also loose. I don't know why. But anyway, we've got all of that done. I'm going to do a screenshot of the scanner of that criteria for you. If I can. Let's back out a little bit. See if it's going to focus. Well, darn it, it's not going to focus very well. I apologize for that too. Let's hit the key, but I want to show you, pull your wiring diagram on this thing. All right, if you look at the fuel pump right there, you're going to see the G101. I'm just trying to get you good focus. Ain't nothing working today. Anyway, you're going to see the fuel pump relay right here, and the G101's right there. It tells you that it's under the coolant bottle over there. So that can cause this. I don't know if it's the final journey of this job. But let's, like I said, start it up and let's see what we got. So far, so good. Before I started up, and the wipers would jump up and down. And with the wipers, they stayed put. It's like they couldn't find park. Like I said, one code in there for the fuel pump circuit not matching the desired driver output of 2.5 volts. Obviously a voltage drop on that circuit. Let's see if it's going to shut off, because it looks like it's running a little bit weird right now. I'm going to rev it up, make sure we got a fix here. So far, so good. Turn the air off, but the condenser fan's still on. So if you come across that code, wiper jumping up and down, all the dash lights, she said, lit up, went kind of nuts. A bunch of electrical circuits went crazy. So I'm sure that G0101's a main sensor ground for a bunch of different things, modules and stuff like that. We're going to look to see what other modules are on that circuit. But we got a fix on this one. Haven't shot a video in a while, and these are just for information, so enter at your own risk. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you guys. See ya.